Okay guys, welcome to the first Chick Ball All-Star game ever. This 2022 Chick Ball All-Star game. Let's get into it. Pebbles has it. And wrong touchdown zone. What? She's going in. Touchdown. Pebbles. She won the MVP trophy this year. Most valuable player. Pebbles, wrong touchdown zone again. And there spectators are watching the 2022 Chick Ball All-Star game on the Chick Ball channel. And Pebbles eats it. Princess eats it. Bossy eats it. Princess eats it. Pebbles, can she go? Wrong touchdown zone. She's near. Bossy was the last pick in the 2022 Chick Ball draft. She turned out to be a huge steal and one of the best players in the CBL, the Chick Ball League. Let's see. And there's Puffball. It's her first ever game, and her first ever game is in the 2022 Chick Ball All-Star game. Phil wasn't eligible because he wasn't on team. Puffball signed with the Cluckers. Phil rejected a contract with Chicken Land. Let's see. Let's see, Squawker has it. And it's eaten. Bossy picked up and she ate it. This game was filmed around a month ago. Sorry we didn't upload it. Was pretty busy. But let's see. And Bossy eats it. Bossy eats it again. Pebbles now. And she eats it. Well, this has been a tight game so far. But let's see what will happen. Squawker pecking at it. What? Squawker eats it. Bossy eats it. And get ready because the Chick Ball will be in a few months. Once all the snow melts. This game wasn't really high scoring. I think it was because of the snow. But we put some leaves down that we saved from the fall. So yeah. Pebbles. Has it. And cheats it. Let's see what will happen. Princess has got it. She's pecking at it. Let's see. And she eats it. Bossy. Try and scramble out of there. Princess. And she eats it. Bossy, Squawker. And they eat it. It dropped. Bossy. This has been a tight game so far. See if they can tie it up or win it. But let's see. Bossy. She's pecking at it. Walker just bolted in the frame. Let's see. It dropped. Pebbles eats it. Right off the bat, drop. Eat. Pebbles. And she eats it. Team 2 is in the lead to Team 1. Team 2 1. Team 1 0. Let's see. Pebbles eats it. Pebbles again eats it. Pebbles again eats it. Bossy. And pecking at it. And she eats it. Oop, Puffball. I think this is her first possession of the game. And she lets, I think Princess steal it from her. And Squawker stole it from Princess. Oh, there's a leash stuck. She's pecking at it. Pebbles. And Team 2 is coached by the coach of the Chicken Land. And Team 1 is coached by the coach of the Cluckers. Team 2 wins the first Chick Ball All-Star game.